can chain me, you can torture me, you can even destroy my body, but you will never imprison my mind. Namaskar. I am Anish Kharka and I am reading grade 9 in Babylon National School. Today, I am going to give a short presentation on the topic International Day in support of victims of torture. The United Nations International Day in support of victims of torture is an international observation which is observed annually on 26th June to speak out against the crime of torture and to help and honor those people who have gone through torture in their life. The former United Nations Secretary General Kofi Annan says that this is a day in which we pay our respects to those who have endured the unimaginable. This is an occasion for the whole world to speak out for the unspeakable. On this day, various programs are conducted worldwide to raise awareness that torture is really a crime against humanity. Torture really kills a person from inside. Long term torture can lead to depression, anxiety, trauma, and many other psychological problems. So, talking about the context of Nepal, mainly females are tortured here in the name of domestic violence. So, I'm not telling that males are not tortured here, but mainly females are tortured here in the name of domestic violence. So, in most of the cases, we can see females are getting tortured. So, people living here, they have a very pathetic thinking. Not all, but some of the people. Whenever they see a female getting tortured here, they think that she is neither my mother, she is nor my daughter. She is neither my friend, she is nor my sister. Then what will I get by helping her? My response to all those people who have this kind of opinion is that she might not be a mother, but she is someone's mother. She might not be a daughter, but she is someone's daughter. She might not be a sister, but she is someone's sister, and she might not be a friend, but she is someone's friend. So next time, whenever you see a person getting tortured, please help them. Who knows, by your help they can get out of this torture and they can smile again in their life. So as a conclusion, I'd like to say that this is a message to all those people who have gone through torture in their life. I know you have gone through a lot of miserable things. You had a very tough life, but be strong and smile once more. And the most important thing is take a stand for yourself. Raise your voice that you are getting tortured, because no one else is going to do it for you. So thank you so much for listening to me. Happy International Day in support of victims of torture. Thank you.